Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Montana Buck if you're new here. Today I'm going to do a full product review on this brand new foundation that I was gifted by my sister. So shout out to you. I love you so much. I've wanted to try this foundation for so long now. Makeup artists love this foundation, so I knew that I had to get my hands on it and try it out for myself. If you guys are interested in a full product review, an application process, and just a little bit of information about the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, then just stay tuned. So, as you can see, I have no foundation on my skin whatsoever right now. I did go ahead and apply some eye makeup. I'm not going to be applying any primer onto the skin because I want to see the authenticity of the foundation and how it works without any other products combined with it, and I don't want to compromise the formula of the foundation. No primer, no moisturizers, no serums, nothing like that. I don't know if you guys can really see, but I do have redness on the cheek and around the chin area, which I will be looking to see if this foundation is able to cover that up without it looking super thick and without it looking super cakey. I am looking for a little bit of a natural finish, although I do want it to be medium to full coverage. Let's read online a little bit about this foundation. It claims that it is a uniquely lightweight foundation that provides 16 hours of fade-resistant wear with buildable medium to full coverage that looks and feels natural. So far, I'm loving it. It retails for $49 on the NARS Cosmetics website. I believe that you can also purchase this foundation on Sephora.com, as well as retailers such as Macy's, Nordstrom's, etc. Under the details, it says that it is transfer resistant, sweat resistant, fade resistant, non-drying, paraben free, alcohol free, oil free, and fragrance free. It claims that it has a skin enhancing formula with a blend of raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts. It helps support skin's elastic fibers to smooth and improve skin's texture over time for optimal radiance. I think this is kind of cool too. It says that it looks better with each hour that you wear it, and it also has specialized skin matching technology to ensure your most natural match yet. There are 34 shades in this foundation to choose from. The way I want to apply it today is with a sponge. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of give it a little squeeze directly onto the sponge. Let's see how this does. Applying on the chin area as well as the forehead. So far, I'm super impressed with the finish. It's super lightweight and it looks so natural on the skin. When I look up really close, it doesn't look powdery or cakey like I had mentioned earlier. That is something that I look for in a foundation. I don't want to look super heavy or super caked up. So far so good. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Upon initial application, I'm loving this. It's done a really great job at covering up that redness that I was referring to earlier in today's video, and I'm really loving the way this looks. It looks so nice. Really quick now, I'm going to go in with some cream contour to bronze and sculpt the face, as well as some bronzer and highlight, and I will be right back. So this is what the skin looks like with the rest of the makeup applied to the skin. I'm absolutely in love with this foundation. It actually far exceeded my expectations, and I do believe that everything that the website claimed that this foundation was gonna do, it's doing it. The only thing that I don't know for sure is regarding the 16-hour wear, as it has only been maybe like 15-20 minutes, if that. The color match is really nice, especially when I went in with the bronzer and the highlight. It doesn't look really cakey, it doesn't look makeup-y or powdery, and it also doesn't accentuate any of the fine lines on my skin. That was something that I was a little bit concerned with, because with more buildable foundations, when you go in with like a second layer or you just concentrate a little extra product on a specific area of the face, it can tend to accentuate lines in the skin, expression marks, as well as the little fine lines underneath the eye, but I really don't see that happening at all for me. Side note, I am somebody who does appreciate good packaging, and before I purchased the product, I didn't know this, but when you open this up, I'm going to show you guys, it actually comes in a double protected case. This is just cardboard, but it's kind of nice. I've never bought a foundation like this. So you lift the lid and open it up, and here she is. So I really love the packaging. That kind of adds that nice luxury factor when it comes to paying $49 for a foundation. But if you're a makeup lover, or if you are somebody who collects makeup and this is something that you really enjoy, I think that you're going to love this foundation. Now I understand why the hype is so hyped, because it's so nice. I will have a link to this foundation on the NARS website for you guys to go read all about it, check it out. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me in today's video. Let me know if you're gonna go purchase it for yourself and what you think. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye. All the product information for the NARS, the link for the Natural Longwear Radiant, listed below. For the